tell you the truth, is excellent. You cannot get a better service than that.
Definitely recommend. Already have before the trip even, just because the planning process was so seamless. We've already made recommendations.
I will tell them definitely use the services. And like I told you the other day when you interview me, it's not Peru for less, it's Peru for best. That was excellent, and I think anyone would be very, very happy to use your services.
To use them for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's been wonderful.
Yep.
Yes.
Well, there's no question I'd recommend you. Yeah, without hesitation.
Already did. Already referred
told
you. We were just talking about it at lunch. If, we ever get the opportunity to come back to the area, definitely will use you.
We highly recommend them. We've actually already talked to people on that we've met at different places, and they ask who we used, and we've talked to